Hello friends, it's Reza here on channel Reza Blade, and this is the 12th out of 30 and 30 take 2. We're doing 30 days of straight reviews, or 30 reviews in 30 days rather. And I have received in the mail some more glorious KADS plates, and I know you guys want to see those as soon as I can get them out to you, so that is my mission today. We're on 5 plates. I have 2 manis and I have some swatches. So let's get going. Alright, now my first installment in today's slideshow is KADS Festival 009. And we have a bunch of awesome cupcakes here. I was really pleased when I saw this plate, and I knew that it would be one of the ones that I would do a mani in. So here we go. Let me show you the thumb. Pretty happy with this one. All right. We have KADS Sky 003. I chose this one because it's got the 69 of mine. That's not really a 69, but it represents essentially the yin and yang feature of the Cancer concept. And that is my sign, so that's the one I chose. Now Patty, I know you like different Gemini images, and I don't know whether this is one you're looking for, but I'm gonna go ahead and tag you so you know that I did have a new plate with a Gemini image on it for you to maybe look at and see if you like it. Alright, so that's KADS Sky 003. And then we have some geometric Pontillism. I know you guys liked the last Pontillism or dots plate I showed you. This one is KADS Geometry 004. That is great. And we've got KADS Fashion 002, and this is some skyscraper images or building images. Love these, and I've got these on my right hand. So now that I've shown you this plate, I'll go ahead and show you that mani. And that guy. All right. So we've got Flower 003. And I think this might have been, I've been having an issue lately. I don't know if you guys have, but when I order on AliExpress, where I'll select a picture when I'm in a certain phase of the program, and it won't actually carry through. So I'll press the check mark, and then I'll press buy it now or add to my cart, and it's actually still on the first selection. So I've had to really change the way that I order. I've been having to kind of guess which is the tiny image of the big one, because you have to manually select these now. It's not going to let you necessarily go through and hit them beforehand while they're still big. I don't know if that makes any sense to you, but if you've used the program, it should. Alright, so we've got a number of different plaid and stripe images there, along with lots of flowers. And here's a mesh with the flowers. I've always liked that kind of thing. So there's that, and we've got our swatches. Let me show you how well these guys, I mean, this was a pleasure, a real pleasure to swatch. So again, these are a 5 out of 5. I completely recommend these plates. Geometry, sky, and then Flower 003. Let me show you how well those showed up. They are really nicely and deeply etched, but there is no pain when you touch the plate and no textural discomfort. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you for taking a peek at my review. I hope this has been an especially quick and dirty one. It's great to see you guys subscribing. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead. It doesn't really require anything of you. It just enables you to tell YouTube that you like my channel. And you can also then press the bell to get notifications that I've released videos, because you definitely want to know when I release a video, right? And comments and questions, leave them below. Information on where I got the plates in the description box. So have a fabulous day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.